Imagine a world where every street corner hums with pistons and gears, and majestic airships drift through clouds of steam. This is steampunk, where Victorian architecture meets futuristic inventions. But what if these steam-powered machines and inventions could one day become real? Stick around as we dive into steampunk technology and explore how some of these concepts might just become part of our world. Steampunk isn't just a genre, it's a reimagined past with futuristic possibilities. Picture an alternate 19th century where steam power leads the way and innovation drives every city. What if steam-powered cars, flying machines, and mechanical automatons weren't just fiction, but reality? That's what we're about to uncover today, the incredible technologies of steampunk that could reshape our world. Let's start with the steam engine, the heart of steampunk technology. In the 19th century, steam engines revolutionized industries, from transportation to manufacturing. But in a steampunk world, steam isn't just a tool, it's the foundation of everything. Picture a massive mechanical city powered entirely by steam, where every building, vehicle, and contraption runs on this one incredible force. It's a world where imagination meets practicality, with steam driving progress like never before. Now let's take a closer look at transportation. Steampunk has given us some incredible concepts for getting around, like airships. These grand, dirigible vessels glide through the skies, powered by massive steam engines. They're floating palaces, with brass and copper accents glinting in the sun, propellers spinning as they cut through the clouds. In a steampunk world, flying would be a daily affair, and airships would be the main mode of travel. Imagine stepping aboard one of these majestic crafts, feeling the power of steam beneath your feet, and setting sail for distant lands. But airships aren't the only way to get around in steampunk. Let's talk about the steam-powered cars, or road locomotives, as they're often called. These bulky yet fascinating vehicles are driven by steam engines instead of internal combustion engines. Imagine the sound of the steam hissing as it powers the engine, the smell of burning coal filling the air, and the sight of smoke rising from the exhaust pipes. These steam cars wouldn't just be a way to get from point A to point B. They'd be an experience, a statement of innovation and adventure. Of course, no steampunk world would be complete without the wonders of mechanical automation. Picture a world where robots aren't just a thing of the future, but a reality of the present. In steampunk, mechanical men, or automatons, are a common sight. These intricate clockwork machines are powered by steam and gears, designed to assist with everyday tasks or even act as companions. They could be anything from a personal butler to a steam-powered soldier. Imagine a world where machines and humans work side by side, where technology doesn't just serve us, but becomes a part of our very lives. But it's not just the big machines that make steampunk so fascinating. The small, everyday gadgets in this world are just as incredible. Take a look at some of the gadgets and tools used in a steampunk society. Everything is powered by steam, from pocket watches with hidden compartments to mechanical calculators and even steam-powered cameras. These devices are a blend of elegance and practicality, combining the best of the Victorian era with futuristic technology. In steampunk, even the smallest objects are infused with the spirit of invention. As we move forward, let's consider the impact that these technologies could have on our own world. Could we ever see steam-powered cars or airships in real life? The truth is, while we may not be living in a full-fledged steampunk society just yet, there's still a chance that some of these inventions could make their way into our future. The idea of using steam power for transportation isn't as far-fetched as it may seem. Steam engines, after all, have been around for centuries, and in recent years, there's been a resurgence of interest in steam power as an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fuel sources. One of the most promising areas of steampunk technology is the potential for steam-powered renewable energy. With the growing concerns about climate change and the need for sustainable energy sources, steam power could be an attractive option. Imagine a world where steam engines are used to generate clean, renewable energy, powering homes, factories, and even entire cities. This is something that could become a reality, and it's an exciting thought to consider. Moving on to the world of mechanics, let's explore the fascinating world of gear-driven machinery. In a steampunk world, gears and cogs are everywhere, turning and spinning, powering everything from machines to buildings. It's a world where every object seems alive with movement, each gear working in harmony with the others. These mechanical systems are incredibly intricate, requiring precision engineering to work flawlessly. In a sense, the entire steampunk world is a giant machine, with every part playing a crucial role in its operation. But how could such intricate machinery work in our world? Well, while we might not be able to build a city entirely made of gears and steam engines just yet, there are technologies today that are heavily inspired by steampunk design. The intricate mechanics of steampunk machines can be seen in modern-day robotics, clockwork devices, and even advanced engines. The steampunk aesthetic has influenced everything from industrial design to filmmaking, showing us that these fantastical machines aren't just confined to fiction. They're part of our reality too. Another fascinating aspect of steampunk technology is the role of alternative materials. In a world where everything is powered by steam, there's a need for materials that can withstand extreme pressure and heat. Brass, copper, and steel are commonly used in steampunk designs, giving the machines a distinct industrial look. These materials aren't just for show, though. They serve a practical purpose. Brass, for example, is highly resistant to corrosion, making it ideal for steam engines that need to endure the intense conditions of constant use. In steampunk, the very architecture of the world reflects the influence of technology. Buildings are made of brick and steel, with large, clunky gears and steam pipes running along the walls. Factories churn out goods, powered by steam, while the streets are lined with towering structures that seem to stretch to the heavens. The cities of steampunk are sprawling metropolises, where every building is a testament to human ingenuity. These cities aren't just places to live, they're monuments to the power of technology. The more we dive into the world of steampunk, the more we realize that it's not just about what's possible today, but about what could be possible in the future. Steampunk is a vision of what could have been and what might still come to pass. It's a world where the boundaries of technology are pushed to their limits, where steam power drives innovation, and where every new discovery is a stepping stone to a greater future. Now let's talk about the most exciting part of steampunk, the potential for technological breakthroughs. What if these fantastical ideas could inspire real-world innovations? We're already seeing glimpses of it. Researchers and engineers today are looking into new ways to utilize steam power in everything from renewable energy to transportation. The world of steampunk might not be as far away as it seems. We may be on the verge of discovering a new age of technology, inspired by the past, but ready to change the future. Imagine what it would be like to live in a world where technology isn't just functional, but beautiful. In steampunk, every machine is a work of art, crafted with precision and care. The brass gears, the polished wood panels, the intricate designs, these machines aren't just built to serve a purpose, they're built to inspire. This is a world where technology and creativity go hand in hand, and where every new invention brings us closer to a world of endless possibilities. But it's not just about the technology. It's about the spirit of adventure that steampunk brings. It's about the exploration of unknown worlds, the thrill of discovery, and the courage to push the boundaries of what's possible. Steampunk is a reminder that technology isn't just about solving problems. It's about sparking imaginations, challenging conventions, and taking risks. It's a world where the impossible becomes possible, where every new invention holds the key to unlocking a new era. As we imagine a future shaped by the ingenuity of steampunk, we can't help but wonder, what kind of world could we create if we dared to think differently? If we embraced the spirit of innovation, powered by steam, gears, and imagination, what could we achieve? The possibilities are endless, and while we may not have steam-powered cars or flying airships just yet, there's no telling what the future might hold. One thing's for sure, steampunk technology may just be the spark we need to ignite a new era of invention and progress. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey into the world of steampunk technologies. But before you go, I have one final question for you. What if some of these incredible ideas could come true? What would your steampunk world look like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed exploring this fascinating world with us. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join us on this journey into the unknown, where every new adventure brings us closer to the future.